Ka Department of Sociology jang ke St. Edmunds College Shillong, ha kesingi balang jang ke tayo kala Pyllait paidbah ya ke documentary ke belai kerteng, Nongkrem Dance, a Sociological Spectrum. Bad eka magazine rukum jo ke belai kerteng Societas, Celebration of International Day of Families 2024. Ha ke jingalang ke belalong, ha ke nehi ka jaka pulih. Ka Department of Sociology jang ke St. Edmunds College Shillong, ha ka katsan terek ujemang arhajar arpusau. Kala Pyllait paidbah ya ke documentary ke belai kerteng, Nongkrem Dance, a Sociological Spectrum. Bad kumjo ke magazine ke belai kerteng, ka Societas, Celebration of International Day of Families 2024. Ha ke jingalang ke belalong ke auditorium jang ke college. Ha ke ni ke sengi lawan ban shimpenta do paiem habapan siem kena ke hima khairim kum ukongsan rengkat ke jingadon lang ikong yaman lang siem ibadai I head department jang ke sociology ke belas sedang nengkong ha ke St. Edmunds College but chairperson berim ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kum isembut kongsan Ubian Mishra I Dr. Betty Lalu, District Research Officer, jang ke Tribal Research Institute, apa ke Directorate jang ke Arts and Culture, ke Sorkar Jilla, Uba Ronsley CM, Uba Lapas, nag Department of Sociology jang ke St. Edmunds College, U Dr. Brother Simon, Principal in Charge jang ke St. Edmunds College, U Professor Munotosh Chakravarti, Vice Principal Administration jang ke College, Dr. KP Pallavi, Malhan, Vice Principal Academics jang ke College, Dr. BW Nongbri, Dean jang St. Edmunds College ki kena pulia bat kiwai-kiwai.
A documentary is a film or television or radio program that provides a factual report on a particular subject. In the context, today, the subject of study and documentation is the Nongkrem dance, which is performed annually in the compound of Kayengsad or the palace of the highest priestess situated in Smith, Himakairim. Unlike other dances, this particular dance takes place in the courtyard of the Ying's or palace, not inside the palace or any other open ground within the Hima. This observation became the first reason for the start of this documentary. The dance displays well-organized sequence of arrangements, right from Kabung Gumala, Kashat Maske, and most importantly,
Kashat Nongkrem kadai
there are many
kajingla
formal
niam bat
rituals that are
kashat
conducted
jupin long nado
prior
dahin
to the
thai men
culmination
badang don
of
tang
the
kahima
dance,
shilong
which
bat
calls
bat
for
pia kahima
clearer
khairim bat
explanation
kahima
and
melim
understanding.
bat deh kesenem saja praspa san pulai bala pia
There are so
akan
many
kahima
things that goes on.
haki artli ki hima dari
And
kajingla niam kesut
the
kishor
idea
labat
behind
hi
the
dengan hima
making of
khairim
this documentary
hagi ni kajingla
is
niam layo
rooted in
panishim
the
benta
earnest
di raj
desire
kibagan
to
thop ya karat nongbri
document and
rat
to tell
moshai rat
the
mauli rat
meaning, the
lawai rat
symbolism, the
nongkri
cultural
hendrai tang
significance
karat
of the
nongkrem
Nongkrem
alat
dance or
na
short
kani
form
kajingla
dance,
niam
firstly to the
bat
students
namar
and
bagladan
also
kajingnya
to
tang
the
adu
larger
important dai.
audience. Though dance has been
Ya
defined as
kajing la niam la
rhythmically
jule do
moved
so
to
oblei
music,
rumnong bat so oblei
typically
moro
following a
bujulong
set of
unong bat klong.
sequence of
Iem
steps,
sat kadai
dance
kenong pen
is
kre im
more
klong
than just
skau
movements.
ki
It is
jingdeng
an
bat
art
kejong pendek
form.
bagesut ke
It is
shor
a
hayeng bat
prayer.
sabar.
It is a
Bat usiem
performing
rang ba
art.
udai bo pendek ke
Dance is a
pomblang
story
bat
in
kesut ke
itself,
shor nagbenta ke
perhaps
bahag kemiak
told
ke hima.
through gestures and movements along with music. In the past, when the art of writing was not yet discovered, dance was used to record important events, historical events, and are therefore very valuable. The Nongkrem dance also commemorate the formation of the Khasi state. The dance is also a prayer for blessings and abundance, and it is also a performing art where the musical instruments, percussion and wind, provides rhythm for the dancers and signify a lot of things.